Hi everybody, here's the latest installment of Autodoc's video tutorials on replacing car parts. The tools you need for the replacement.
Subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. We post new ones every week.
For more information, check the description below the video.
You can buy spare parts from us on our website or in the Autodoc app. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment if you found this video helpful. Follow us on social media. Find us on Instagram and TikTok.